my name is Amy. Today I'm going to make maternity pants. For myself, I'm going to use this fabric. It's $6 per yard. I bought 3 yards. Let's see how I make it. I need to cut 6 pieces of fabric. 2 front leg part, 2 back leg part, 1 belly part, and 1 waist part. Now let me go to cut fabric. I'm using my old maternity pants as my pattern. I fold my old pants on top of fabric to mark front leg part pattern. After marking it, cut it with scissors, using the same way to get the second front part fabric. I folded different parts of my old pants to get all my rest patterns. Both belly part and the waist part, I use double layers of fabric. I put front leg part and back leg part together, then pinch it. I like to use a serger machine to trim the rough edge. Then sew it on the sewing machine. I got the second pair of front leg and back leg parts together by the same way. Put the 2 sewed leg parts like the way in the video. Pin it. Then use serger machine and sewing machine to finish it. I got a piece of elastic strap, cut it 2/3 of the length of my lower back, and pin it just like the way in the video. Sew 2 edges on the sewing machine, then fold the fabric. Sew along the strap, but not on the strap. Now put 2 top parts together and sew 2 edges. Now I'm going to connect all the pieces together, sew leg parts and top parts together. The last step, figure out the length of the pants. I try the pants on myself, mark the length I need, and sew it. I love it! This is my first maternity pants. I really love it. It's very comfy and stretchy. Fits me really good. Do you want to try to make your own maternity pants? Leave me comments below please. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.